Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can combine two videos in CapCut PC. So you can select first video, and there are several options, and I will show you two options for combine videos. Alright, so you can select the ratio and change for the ratio in 1:1, and it is for the one clip. For the first clip, just swipe to the left and select the second video. Is for the duration assembly, so put on top as an overlay, and you can swipe to the right. That's it. Alright, so this is first option, and for the second option I will show you. Select first and in original, you can change for the aspect ratio in original, and you can change for the position in right, and add to second video as an overlay put on top. Go to mesh and select split, and you can rotate so turn out, and you can swipe to the left. Turn on the gain. Yes, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.